Hey guys, Mike here from Motomule. Welcome back to another episode of this mini Gravedigger build series. If you are just joining us, please be sure to go back and check out the earlier episodes as well. Hang on to your seats because today we are going to finish up the last few things to make this thing a true four-wheel drive monster machine and then test it out. If you watched the earlier episodes, you probably remember my struggles with these military surplus Fox air shocks that I got from eBay. It was easy to adjust the nitrogen pressure, but the real problem was the valving inside the shocks. So, I finally tore the shocks apart to see what I was dealing with. I have never seen so many shims in a single shock before. Check out this compression shim stack. The oil in the shock would have to flex all these shims in order to compress at any decent speed. I'm betting that the only flow of oil inside this shock was through the bleed shim. That is why they were so harsh. I moved most of the compression side shims to the end of the stack and left only these in the effective compression shim stack. I left the rebound shim stack alone for now. I measured all the shims and the volume of oil inside the shocks, so now I have a baseline that I can adjust from to make them better. The shocks aren't perfect yet, but at least your kidneys don't bleed after driving it. The change in compression dampening made a night and day difference in the ride comfort. Next up, I powder coated the new lower side panels and roof panel. I think they turned out great and really add to the look of this mini monster. When I left you guys at the end of the last video, I mentioned that I needed to make a dash for this thing. Something to hold all the switches and indicators. So I did just that. I may have gone a little overboard. I mean, how many gravediggers have USB charging ports and 5-speed gear indicators? But overall, it turned out clean and simple, exactly what I was after. Alright, got the most important part wired up. Originally, this was going to just be a kid's toy, but it turned out to be too much fun not to make an adult seat and harness setup as well. Now an adult can get rowdy in this thing with the security of a 5-point harness. Now the nose doesn't look quite so naked. Did my best to emulate a 1950 Chevy panel grille. What do you think? All right, Jace, you ready to run over a pink Barbie Jeep?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're kind of nervous about it though, huh?
No.
No? Oh, but you just want to practice with some wood blocks first and get a feel of it?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Fire it up. Make sure you're in neutral and in forward. All right, turn on your power steering. Good. You gotta turn on your digger lights. Not bad, huh?
Yeah, not bad.
Jace, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna crush the Barbie Jeep.
All right, so this is attempt number 1. Are you nervous?
No.
All right.
Mine's a picture mode.
Okay.
Mine's a picture.
Are you in forward or reverse?
Then what are we gonna do, Dad?
Okay.
What are we gonna
Keep going. Yeah. Jace, pull the left turning brake and go. All right.
I'm not gonna
what did you guys do to this Barbie Jeep?
You crushed it. I did. And look at what you did.
Oh my gosh.
Well guys, I hope you've had fun watching the progression of this mini Gravedigger monster truck. I had a blast building it, and now it's time to tear it down, paint it, and just have fun with it. Stay tuned for the next project. You don't really need a hint as to what it will be. Just go watch the shop tour video I made a few weeks back. Please smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Consider subscribing if you enjoy crazy motorized fun. And I would appreciate it very much if you shared this video on your social media pages. Have yourself a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.